Now fixing a belt on the sewing machine real quick. Now watch me do this right here. First I'm just gonna place one side of the belt like so. I'm just gonna be starting from here, so I just placed it in here and then watch me take it back out at the other side. Now using your out like so, and then take off system like this. Now keep pulling with your hands until till you're good, and then take it around the wheel. Round the wheel like this. Then now we're going to pass it through then we pass it through this taking part. So as we can receive it from this end right here. As you can see, that's the belt right there. Now this is it right here. Now we gently gonna pass it around the balance wheel. And check to make sure it's on track. As you can see, it's on track with the balance wheel. Now we're good, you alright? And watch how I kept this on place. Now this is how I made sure that this doesn't slide back into this hole. So this is how I did it. Okay, and now we're about to join this belt together. You heard? Now we're just going to place this pin. Into this hole. Like this. And then take the other end now bring the two half face to face. I'm just going to pierce the other side into this hole. Right? Then we have something like this. I'm just going to secure this pin in place simply by pressing both sides. I'm just going to use a plier to do that. And make it look like this, neat and clean like this, okay? And I'll guide the bed, make sure it's on track with the balance wheel, like so. Now just hold in place like this. Look at this. This is the last step. Now just pull such a way that the balance wheel is rolling towards you slowly until the bed snaps into position like so. So that is how to fix the belt on a sewing machine. Now let's make some noise, man. Let's play around. Peace out.